relatives. Ayan, Ma'am Meg, Ma'am Baby, and Ma'am Dory. We would like to greet you a happy birthday! Para naman po maramdaman nila na special po itong araw na to para sa kanila. When I say happy, you say birthday. Happy
Birthday!
You mas malakas! Happy
Birthday!
Wow! Happy birthday, alright? Before you blow your imaginary cake candle,
Oo.
make a wish first for yourself na lang po. Okay, you can blow your imaginary candle.
Ay, umaapoy na siya.
Happy birthday! Palakpakan naman natin sila. Maraming salamat. Yan, for celebrating your birthday here at Labangka Cruises. Thank you so much. Once again, Ma'am Dory, Ma'am Wei, and Ma'am Baby. And this time, guys, let's have our party. Pwede na po tayo sumayaw. Gusto ko na pong makita yung dance step po ninyo.
Oo.
Ma'am Baby.
Ayan na.
Oo,
Mami.